Stay back. All right, class.
Yes.
Wow, thank you. All right, now everyone's paying attention. All right, so I know everyone's paying attention right now, and no one has any earbuds in right now because lucky thing is people remember to put them away. Thank you. See what I did there? See what I did there? Okay. All right, so histograms and frequency polygons. Histogram is a bar graph with bars that touch that can be used to visually display the data. Frequency polygon is a line graph formed by connecting the dots in the midpoint of each of the histogram. So we would have the histogram first, and then for this one, the frequency polygon, just connecting all those together. So it's the same data, it's just asking for you to draw lines. Muy bueno? See? Yeah. Okay, good. All right. Indubitably. All right, stem and leaf plots. This plot is constructed by separating each data item into two parts. Okay, tens digit, leaf consists of the units digit. So, for people that don't understand numbers, okay, we're going to go through and take this one and make a stem and leaf plot for this. So now, my stem and leaf plot is going to start with my tens units. So that means all the digits in the beginning. So, stem. What is my highest number?
94.
94?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So my stem would be 90, or the 9. The next stem would be an 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. So those are my stems. And now we're going to put our leaves on these. Okay, so let's see. Do I have any 90s? No, I don't see 90.
No.
Is there any 91s?
No.
Doesn't look at any 91s. 92?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got a 92. So that means the leaf is going to be a 2. Okay, do I have another 92?
No.
Nope. 93.
Yeah,
I have a 93 right here, so I put a 3 right there. Do I have another one? 93.
No.
Nope. So next one's going to be 94, right?
Yeah. No, 1, 3.
So let me see. I got a 94 right here. So next number is going to be a 4.
4.
That's that one. Then there's another 4. That one. And right here there is another 4. That one. So that counts all my 94s.
Yep.
Okay, is there any 95s?
No.
I don't see any. Is there a 96?
No.
97?
No.
98?
No.
99?
No.
Okay.
That's a robot.
There we go. Okay. So let's go with the 80s. What's my smallest 80? Do I have an 80?
Yes.
Yes, I do have an 80.
You
So
have 2.
I have 2 80s. So I'm going to be 0. And the next one's also another 0. So I got 2 80s. All right. So I got 2 80s. Do I have any 81s?
Yeah.
Okay. So I do have an 81. Let me see. 81 right here. So I have a 1. Do I have another one?
No.
No. 82?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So I do have a 2 then.
Yeah. It's on top. You have 2 of them.
82 and an 82. So I have 2 2s. 80. Do I have another one? No. All right. 83s. Do I have an 83?
No.
He says no. I agree. Is there an 84?
There's 2 84s.
2 84s.
Indeed.
Indeed. So, 84. Is the 84 there? Another 84 is down here. So, another 4.
What do I do?
Is there another 85?
No.
86?
No.
87?
Yes.
There is an 87.
There it is.
I'm looking
The
for it.
bottom right there. Look at the last. Under 80. Under 80. Look at the last.
Oh, okay. So there is an 87 right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 88. Well, I can't go more.
And there's an 88.
Yeah, I'm inside the numbers now.
Oh my goodness.
I stopped like 5 minutes ago.
Why would
Did you
stop?
actually started? I'm proud of you for at least that far.
You're welcome.
All right, so there's an 88.
There's no 89.
No 89s?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Now, let's go into the 70s. Is there a 70?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
No.
Wait.
No.
Yeah,
there's not. There's not.
I don't see a 70.
No, there's not. There's not.
Okay, 71?
Yeah.
Down here, I got 71.
So 1.
171. Is there a 72?
I'm just not there. No.
Doesn't look like I have a 72. 73?
Yeah.
73. I do have a 73.
Yeah, it's on the second. Oh, the second. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got a 3 right there. Is there another one?
No.
74?
Yeah, on the bottom.
Bottom?
The second
Yeah,
one. That's one second.
Oh, there it is right here. So I got it 4. 75.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. I got one
got
here.
You got
You
2.
have 2. You have 1 on top.
Another one there. I don't see any more 75. 76.
Yep.
Yeah.
6 right here.
There's 2 of them.
Oh, got another 76 right here.
Corner.
Got another 6 right there.
There's 77.
There is a 77?
Yeah. Right next
Wait,
to
I think there's a third 6.
Right next to 88.
Is there?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Thank you. All right, there we go. So we have 3 76s. You said yes, 77?
Yeah, it's on the second line.
Oh,
Oh,
crap.
I got scared.
I know, right? Ah.
Yeah, there's
So,
2 of them.
Where's 2 of them?
and
Wait, there is?
I got one there.
No, there's no more.
Only 177?
No. Come on, Chin. No, there's only one.
Okay. 78?
Yeah. Yeah, on the bottom.
Bottom. There's an 8. And
79.
79?
Yep.
Okay, 79. Is that all the 70s here?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's look. Next one. 6. 60. Is there a 60?
No.
61?
No.
62?
No.
63?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, right there at the top.
Right here. 63. So I'm starting off with a 3. Is there any more 63s?
No, but 64 on top.
There's a 64 on top. Any more 64s?
No.
There's 266.
No 65s? I don't see 65. 66?
Yeah, there's 2.
Okay, I got one here. And 66 right there. Alright. 67.
1. Yeah.
Ooh, I do have one right there.
And there's a 68.
And then there's 68. Okay, does that take care of 68, 69?
Yep.
No. So that looks like all the 60s are gone.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go in the 50s then.
The
So
57.
50?
Yeah.
Yes, I have a 50.
It goes 46, and then 57, and then 59.
Let me see. Going through, you said
54.
56?
54.
Oh, 54.
Oh, shit.
There is a 54.
This is 56.
56 is the next one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
56. So do I only have one 56?
Yeah.
Yeah. 257s. And,
2 57s.
no.
And is there a... Ooh, there is a 59. There is a 59 there. Any more 50s?
No.
No.
All right, it's going to the 40s.
43, 45, 46.
You said 43.
45 and 47.
Okay, so 43,
Only one thing.
He said, okay, so 40.
45. 45, and
47.
my last one is 47, right?
Yes, sir.
There.
Shit.
So, as you're trying to fill in the leaves, I didn't leave enough room for this, so if you guys need to actually like put it off to the side because you guys have lines on your notes, it actually makes it a little bit easier. And since your handwriting is a lot better than mine, it kind of makes a bar graph type thing or a histogram here, but it's just going sideways. So if I try to box it out, let me see. I will rewrite this on a insert page so you guys could see. So make this a little bit better. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. There's no 3. So I'm going to clean this one up. So now in the 90s, you're going to help me with this. So in the 90s, so what was my numbers on what was my digits in the 90s?
2, 3,
2, 3,
And 4, 4, 4.
4,
4.
4.
One more. There.
That's it.
That's it for 90s?
Yeah.
Okay, 80s.
0,
0,
0,
0, 1, 2,
2, 4,
4.
2, 4.
Another 2,
Yeah.
and then a 4. That's it?
Well, man, I didn't get that one.
Another 4. 7, 8.
Okay, so it went 0, 0, 1, 2,
4,
2,
4,
4,
7,
4, 7, 8.
4, 4, 7, 8. Another 4.
There you go. All right, so if you notice, I'm lining it up with the one above it also. So it's making another bar graph, but goes aiming this way. All right, so let's go into the 70s.
1, 3,
4.
1, 3, 4,
5,
5, 5.
6, 6, 6. That was
Whoa.
crazy. That was crazy.
Yo.
That was crazy.
Yo.
That was crazy. 7, 8, 9.
Like that?
Oh, God, you cooked him.
Like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go into the 60s.
3, 4,
3, 4.
6, 6, 7, 8.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, 50s.
0, 4, 6, 7, 7, 9.
40s.
3, 5, 7.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
So now, by looking at this, I could see that this is making a bar graph if I were to bar these off. So right here, this one goes out to here, this one stops here, and stops here. So by looking at this, I do make a bar graph out of it. So now I can clearly see that my interval in the 70s had the most, right? So by looking at my graph, I'm making a bar graph using the stem, which is the 90s. And these are leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. A-V, come on, A-V-E-S. Now it's all... There you go. All right. Now, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Super easy, right? Anyone questions over those?
No.
Okay. No one's trying to take a nap over there, right?
No.
Okay, no one would be already falling asleep because I'm that boring.
You said it.
I am. No, seriously, I am. I am super boring. You know what? My own voice. So when I have trouble sleeping, I go and put my own videos on. Okay.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
I know, right?
Get up.
All right. Deception visual displays of data.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So deceptions is stuff that you see. We talk about it, and it's in the news like every day, where they talk about, was it fake news or what else? Disinformation or something like that, right? Disinformation. So they're intentionally telling you something that is skewed a certain way. So for this right here, it says U.S. poverty rate rapidly decreases. Does the graph look like it's going down really fast?
Yeah. Wait, no, it doesn't. Actually, it doesn't.
So look at the difference. So look at my intervals right here. This goes in half points, right? Looks like it rapidly decreases.
It doesn't though.
But if you're looking at it here, okay, right here in years. But now if you look at this chart right here, what's different about these two charts?
They're played numerically.
Look at the spacing.
Damn. What's the word I'm looking for?
Spacing in the Y values.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, going up the poverty rates. If you look at the spacing,
Increasing?
It starts at a different number.
they start at the same thing, but if you notice, this is the spacing is half a point each one, right?
Yeah.
That's half a point each one.
And that one's like
And this one right here,
the Y values are different.
yeah. So the spacing is different. So it looks like it goes down slowly. But here, there's a huge jump in between 18 and 19, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But does it show that as much in this one over here, in the second one on the right-hand side?
No.
No. So different ways of displaying the data is going to be the deceptions here, okay? So graphs can be used to distort the underlying data. The graph on the left stretches the scale on the vertical axis to create an impression of rapidly increasing poverty rate. Increasing, should be decreasing. Anyway, and the graph on the right compresses the scale on the vertical axis to create an impression of slowly increasing, should be decreasing poverty rate. So, anyway, so I know you guys are actually changing that word to decreasing, right? Okay, because the notes are wrong on that one. All right, things to watch for in visual displays of data. Is there a title that explains what is being displayed? Are numbers lined up with ticks that make the vertical axis that clearly indicate scale? Has the scale been varied to create more or less dramatic impression than shown by the actual data? Do too many designs, cosmetic effects draw attention from or distort the data? 4. Has the wrong impression been created about how the data are being changed because equally spaced time intervals are not being used on the horizontal axis? Furthermore, has a time interval been chosen that allows the data to be interpreted in various ways? So, these things right here are how you're going to answer the questions. Basically, almost word for word. 5. Are bar size scaled proportionally in terms of the data represented? 6. Is there a source that indicates where the data in the display came from? So, sources aren't important, okay? So, if there is no source, you can't back it up, right? It's kind of like someone saying that someone is late to class todos los días, every day, and then if I don't have some sources to point out that someone is always late to class, okay? I don't know, we got a couple people in here that are super slow, okay? They can't make it to class on time.
Oh God.
Yeah, you missed out on this because guess what? You were later than them.
Shit, tragic.
Anyway, yes. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure we don't want to see the data on that one, though. All right. So, right here. Random sampling used if there's possible difference between what is being displayed in the graph and what is occurring in the entire population. Who is presenting the visual display, and do they have a special case to make for or against the trend shown by the graph? So, this last thing right here, this last sentence, it's going to say haters going to hate, hate. Okay? Haters going to hate, right?
Yeah.
So anything from a hater named DJ, you already know they're hating on something, right?
Yeah.
So you have to be careful with what is being said because he's about ready to hate on someone.
Oh God.
Thank you. All right, here is a cosmetic example. Cosmetic effects with equal heights but different frontal additions and shadow links make it impossible to tell if they proportionally depict the given areas. Time intervals on the horizontal axis are not uniform size, make it appear that dwelling swelling has been linear from 1980 to 2020. So, look at the interval from 1980 to 1990. How many years is that?
Wait, what was that? 1980?
From 1980 to 1990. How many years is that? How many years is that? 10 years. Thank you. I know you're not playing with your phone while I'm trying to do notes. So it's 10 years here, right?
Yeah.
But now look at from 1990 to 2020. How many years is that?
30.
That's 30 years, right?
Yep.
So that right there, just in the years, is messing up that.
Right.
Okay. Now look at the cosmetic thing. Okay. If you look at the little shadow to go along with it, okay, yeah, the shadows make it look like it's going up like that, right? Yeah, but the shadow's really not helping it. Too much cosmetic effects. Data indicates that this is not the case. There was a greater increase in area from the 1980 to 1990, averaging 34 square feet per year. From 1990 through 2020, averaging approximately 15 square feet per year. Now, what's that mean? In 1980 to 1990, you could buy a big house. Okay? Yeah. And guess what? Can you get it now? No. You're lucky to get a bathroom. Okay, for, what's it like, $1,200 a month here in Phoenix? That's it, just a bathroom. Okay, not even a fancy toilet. You just a bathroom. That's all you get. You gotta sleep on the toilet. And that's it.
Say this.
And guess what? Okay, that means we're done. So make sure you guys all like, share, and subscribe. You're gonna use the rest of this time. Now, what is due tomorrow?
Everything.
Everything. Thank you. So make sure you're working on stuff. If you need to do any retakes, plan your time wisely. Don't sit there and stare at your phone.
Oh,
Make sure you all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Support my channel. Buy stuff in the merch store. Buy my new hoodies.
We'll be back with more.